What is up everyone, this is TSD Reviews and stuff back here with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the iPad mini 5 Smart Fold case from Spigen. Now this costed me around 1300 rupees and you can get this from amazon.in, and so this is basically a flip cover as you can see from the picture, and it has a hard plastic bag for the back. Now right now on this iPad mini 5, I have the official Apple case. So basically this does not have a back case, but it makes the iPad really light and slim, and that's a pretty big advantage, and it also feels really good. So if you want to check this out, you can go ahead, click the link in the description. I think this is worth it. You can get in any color you want. Now let's take a look at the Spigen case. Alright. Let's see how, okay, there you go. Alright. This is your, this has a Spigen branding, as you can see. Alright, feels good. Throw this away, safe, and of course we don't need that, sorry. Alright, this is it. So this is a hard plastic back, which means that this is not a silicone case, and it will not turn yellow, and that's a big advantage. Now I have the same kind of case for the iPad 4th gen. Yeah, it's the 4th gen. It has the same hard plastic, but it's more of a transparent one. This is more of a frosted back, basically translucent. So I think it's gonna look really nice, and it won't attract a lot of fingerprints or scratches. So that's a good thing. So let's take this off. That's the one good thing about this official Apple case. All you need to do is remove this. That's it. Pretty neat. Now let's put this iPad inside. Okay, nice clicks, not snaps but clicks. All right. So this is actually not heavy. Okay, it is slightly heavy, but it's pretty slim. I wasn't expecting it to be that slim, and this is actually a pretty good thing. Like, you can use it like that, you know, when you fold it. Alright, feels nice. And it has this nice soft texture inside. It's some fabric. I don't know exactly the name of this. It has some raised edge here, but it's not something that's going to protect your iPad from drops. No, nothing like that. Of course, you do get the flip cover, so it'll protect your front screen. But yes, overall I'm loving the look of this case. It's really nice. Let's take a look at the buttons here now. Okay, pretty you don't have to apply that much of force, so that's a nice thing. Volume buttons, clicky, that's a really nice thing. I actually did get a case from Poetic earlier, but I didn't do a video on it because I didn't feel that was worth it. I returned it back, and it was pretty bad when it came to the sensitivity of the buttons. Like, you had to press really hard in order to push the buttons, and you had that unnecessary space for the pencil, Apple Pencil, which I felt that was unnecessary because some people don't use Apple Pencil, so I think that was unnecessary space. But overall, I'm actually loving this, and it's a really nice texture on the outside too. So I don't feel this is going to be I'd say ruined as quickly as this one, because I don't know, this one feels nice, but I feel that this will show its age much quicker than the one from Spigen. And I believe the Spigen case is cheaper than the Apple's case. But again, I do like the Apple's official case. It's a great one if you want a slim look and a nice one. Then definitely this is a a case to consider. Basically not a case but a cover. But yeah, so you can fold it like that on the back. Let's see how you do that. Okay, there you go. It has magnets at the back, so basically this thing touches at the back. So yeah, I think this is nice. So yeah, nothing else to talk about this. Basically it gives a really nice look, and of course the cutouts are pretty accurate. Yep, Spigen did a good job on this. I like it. So yeah, overall I feel that this case is worth it. I really like it. It's a lot more protective than this one, definitely. But of course, if you want something that's slim and you don't really care about protection, or probably you have a skin on the back, which I already have ordered from D brand, and it will be coming around, I don't know, a couple of days, maybe a week. I ordered it from D brand because it wasn't available anywhere in India, so that's that. But yes, overall, is this case worth it? I would say in the long run, this will be better than your official Apple case or your flip cover. And yes, this is worth the price. And you even have the option to, you know, get the tough armor. That is if you want a lot of protection. You do have a kickstand with it. I don't have the case right now, but right now I think this is a very good case, and you're not gonna hate it. Definitely, it does not add that much of bulk to it. It's pretty slim, though it adds a bit of weight because of the flap. But yes, overall, it's a great looking case, guys. So that's pretty much it with the Spigen Smart Fold. And if you have any questions about this, or let's say if you want to ask some, like, you know, you want some updates from this case, like how it's holding up, then do let me know down in the comments. And again, I'll leave the link for this in the description, so do check it out. And yes, stay tuned for my more videos. So I had to take a long break, as you know, but I'm posting this video after a long time because of my exams. So yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, you know the drill, you know what to do, and I'll see you soon, guys. Peace.